Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on Snapchat app. So without wasting the time, let's move on to the video. First of all, go to your Play Store, and if you are on iOS device, you can open your App Store and search here Snapchat. So update your Snapchat here. Mine Snapchat is updated, so I'm going to open this. Tap on profile icon, and after this tap on this setting icon, and here you can see your birthday is shown there. Tap on that, and to change your birthday simply tap on your birthday, and after this change your birthday from here just like I'm doing, and tap on continue, and it will show your current age, and tap on OK. And if you go back, you can see your astrological sign has been changed, and in this way you can change your birthday.